Good evening, everyone. My name is Aarav and I study in 9th standard. I've attended Surekha ma'am's classes of career counseling, and what I liked about Surekha ma'am's classes is that she has helped me in finding what I want to become when I grow up. And it was a very fun class. She talked about a lot of things. She told a lot of stories, very moral-based stories, and she also gave 2 Google forms which were also very creative, and from that I could make out that what I want to become and what are my hidden talents. By that Google form I also found out that what I'm good at, am I an introvert or an extrovert. That was a very wonderful Google form. I loved the Google form, and the other things are that she gave us a lot of moral-based activities and moral-based things that she told us. She told us what should we do in the morning when we wake up and other things also. So I loved the activity, Surekha ma'am. I loved the career counseling. Thank you, Surekha ma'am.
Hi, Surekha ma'am. Yesterday's was a wonderful session. Aarav and me started on by attending the classes early in the morning hours, and it was a great session, whereupon the starting itself was very good by getting Aarav very much transparent enough. He was very much comfortable after talking to you and declaring you his credentials and all. So the wonders of the section was there was a lot of activities and there was a lot of insights which came through out of the Google Forms and all. He loved it, the whole workshop, and I would like to know more about the courses as well as the career counseling as well as the development of children. What should they become and what they feel about themselves in becoming a great person, in becoming a great character, and in developing their career going outwards to the world in the future. So kids today are tomorrow's future. Thank you very much, Surekha ma'am. Thank you very much for the wonderful activity. I appreciate all the activities done. Thank you very much.